డెమోక్రటిక్ పాలిటిక్స్ 9th క్లాస్ ప్రజాస్వామ్య రాజకీయాలు. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, which of the following statements about the reasons for conducting elections are false? Answer C. Elections enable people to evaluate the performance of the judiciary. Second question, which of these is not a good reason to say that Indian elections are democratic? A. Answer, India has the largest number of voters in the world. Third, match the following. A. It is necessary to keep the voters list up to date because. Answer A. Some people may have moved away from the area where they voted last. B. Some constituencies are reserved for SCS and STS so that. Answer, there is a fair representation of all sections of our society. C. Everyone has one and only one vote so that. C. Everyone has equal opportunity to elect their representative. D. Party in power is not allowed to use government vehicles because. Answer B. All candidates must have a fair chance of competing in elections. Question, list all the different election related activities mentioned in the chapter and arrange them in a time sequence beginning with the first activity and ending with the last. Some of these activities are given below: releasing election manifestos, counting of votes, making of voters list, election campaign, declaration of election results, casting of votes, ordering of repoll, announcing election schedule, filling nomination. Answer 1. Making of voters list. 2. Announcing election schedule. 3. Filling nomination. 4. Releasing election manifesto. 5. Election campaign. 6. Casting of votes. 7. Ordering of repoll. 8. Counting of votes. 9. Declaration of election results. Fifth question, Sureka is an officer in charge of ensuring free and fair elections in an assembly constituency in a state. Describe what should she focus on for each of the following stages of election. A. Election campaign. B. Polling day. C. Counting day. Answer A. Election campaign. For this, Sureka will have to focus on seeing that the candidates 1. Do not bribe or threaten the voters. 2. Appeal to them in the name of caste or religion. 3. Spend more than the prescribed limit. 4th. Use government resources for election campaign. B. Polling day. For this, Sureka will have to ensure that incidents of rigging and booth capturing do not take place. Ensure that free and fair elections should be conducted. D. Counting day. For this, Sureka will have to see that the agents of all the candidates are present to ensure that counting is done properly. Sixth question. The table below gives the proportion of different communities among the candidates who won elections to the US Congress. Compare these to the proportion of these communities in the population of the US. Based on this, would you suggest a system of reservations in the US Congress? If yes, why, and for which communities? If no, why not? Proportion of the community in percent in the House of Representatives. Population of US: blacks 813, Hispanics 513, whites 8670. Answer: based on the figures given in the table, it is clear that blacks and Hispanics have much less representation than their population in the US Congress. Therefore, to give them proper representation, reservation should be provided to them.